The F-Type rapidly wound up plainly mainstream among driving fans for its looks, as well as its exceptional soundtrack and agreeable sticker price. Quick forward a couple of years and Jaguar is searching for approaches to finish the F-Type lineup by discharging revived forms of its games car. Lo and observe the 2017 F-Type 400 Sport. Underway for just a single year, and with a motor that is remarkable to this specific release, the 400 Sport is an extremely encouraging bundle. To check whether the British driving sensation would satisfy the build-up, we put it under serious scrutiny. Motor and performance. We should begin with the greatest offering point for the restricted generation keep running of the F-Type, the powerhouse in the engine. With a 3.0-liter V6 supercharged motor that produces 400 strength, 20 more than the standard V6 demonstrate, this uncommon version F-Type isn't messing around. The astoundingly responsive motor cooperates with a 8-speed ZF programmed transmission to exchange its energy to the back wheels, or every one of the four wheels on the off chance that you pick the AWD form. This power will move the auto from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.9 seconds, and keeps the fun going until 275 km per hour. Outline. The changes over the standard F-Type don't come just as far as execution. Outwardly and also within, the auto is fitted with yellow 400 Sport identifications to advise you that your auto is only the tad additional unique. The front splitter, back of the auto, and brake calipers all show the strong logo. The headlights have additionally been refined to supplement the auto's smooth and streamlined look. What sets the 400 Sport Advance separated from whatever is left of the pack is its stealth look because of the exceptional game design pack that accompanies dim silk dark completes all around, and the standard 20-inch 5-talked glossy silk dim wheels. Driving experience. In any case, how can it drive? Subsequent to getting into the low seating position and pushing the begin catch, the fruity 400 horsepower solid V6 thunders to life. After 30 minutes on the roadway, the F-Type put an unending smile on our countenances. The constant commotion and reverse discharges originating from F-Type's tailpipes take a turn with your feelings and get the oil drawing in your veins. The time had come to take our business off the expressway and investigate the calm wide open.